All right, so these questions, we've probably already done at least a couple of these before even today. All right. It says there's negative 3, 2, and 3. That means there's three roots. Now, I don't really know for sure if those are the only three. Those are only three it gives me. So I'm going to assume this is third power, and I'm easily able to assume that. All right, third power, which means it should look like this as long as it's positive, and it does say with a positive leading coefficient. All right, so that's that. All right, so I've got all of that stuff right there. So then I would go right to my graph. And again, I'm not making this like to scale or anything. I'm gonna put negative 3 there, 2, and 3. I'm gonna make sure it looks kind of, now these have to start up like this. And what it does is it just kind of makes a hump between each one of these things. And then it goes off in the other directions there. I probably am going to put a negative 3 and a 2 and a 3 on there. So I am just drawing a sketch, and I should at least label what the numbers look like. Okay, so that's what I've got there. There are many different ideas that you could have, but it cannot cross the x-axis any other places unless you wrote like a really good description, like, well, it doesn't say those are the only roots or whatever the situation is. So we probably don't want to do that. So let's just leave it like this, make it as simple as possible.